Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming servers are actually online and not undergoing maintenance, because that saves time. Once done, restart your router and the game device. A fresh DHCP lease often clears transient issues. Make sure you switch to wired Ethernet if latency or packet loss is suspected, and temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, and third-party firewalls so they aren't blocking Ubisoft authentication. Next, set a static local IP and reserve it in your router to keep NAT mapping stable. This prevents address churn that breaks sessions. Then forward the specific Ubisoft and platform ports, or enable UPnP so the game can open them automatically. Also change your DNS to a reliable public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 to fix name resolution problems. If packets still drop, capture a short trace route to identify where connections fail. Finally, verify game files and reinstall the Ubisoft Connect or Store client if corruption persists, because a bad launcher can block authentication. Make sure to flush DNS and renew your IP to clear stale resolution records. On Windows, use ipconfig/flushtons, then /release and /renew. If you still see server connection errors, gather logs, a short trace route, and exact timestamps. Then contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.